Excuse me, 1 second. Hi.
Hi.
This is random, but
Yeah.
I saw you a second ago,
Yes.
and something about you, I had to say hi.
Hi.
Thought you were very pretty.
Thank you.
Hi.
I like your eyes.
Oh, thank you. Matt.
Emily.
Emily, nice to meet you. You're not Latina,
Yes.
I don't think. You are Latina?
Yeah.
Oh, your English is so good.
Oh, thank you. I'm from Frontera. How do you say?
Contera?
Frontera.
Is it Mexico?
Yeah, it's Mexico.
Ah, okay.
I'm near USA. I'm near Arizona.
Near Arizona. That's why.
Yeah.
So the many Americans there, so you can learn
Yes,
easily.
my family is from
Okay.
over there, and so I speak with them. And
Yeah, it's really good. Okay.
Thank you.
I don't have to speak slowly.
no,
That's
you
good.
don't actually.
I'm in the habit of doing that, like
Yeah, here in Mexico.
speaking
yeah. Like
so slow.
hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Well, listen, I have to go in a second. But what are you doing here? Do you live here?
Yeah.
You live here? Oh, me too. I'm only here for a few months.
Me too. How many?
I've been here for 2 years, on and off, kinda, like spending a few months every year here. So I love it. It's amazing. And anyways, do you have Instagram or
You can
WhatsApp?
follow me.
Okay. Here, let me get yours. Or I'll just give you mine, I'll follow you back.
I don't have any photos, okay?
No photos. How am I gonna know it's you?
Because
Okay. Okay, that's me. I'll follow you back.
Thank
What
you.
are you doing right now?
I'm meeting with some friends. That's why I'm in a rush.
Okay, I'll let you go.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, nice to meet you.
Let's hang out.
Take care. All right.
On the weekend, what are you doing?
This weekend?
Yeah.
No plans yet. I'll message you.
Yeah.
We'll do something fun.
Okay.
All right.
Have you been to Antros Clandestinos? Here, clandestino?
This one right here?
Yeah.
I have. Yes,
Do
I
you
like that
it?
place.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fun. There's only like 3 or 4 like good
ones.
bars.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the rest are like crazy loud. So I'll write you.
Bye.
All right, bye.